Hey there, the team over at Kelly's Collection sent over their drain clog removal tool kit. This kit has multiple tools to clean out those clogged drains. I've used their products in the past, so I was excited to get this one as well because I can use whatever I feel is best to get that pesky clog. This comes with 4 different tools, and one of the tools actually comes in 2 different sizes. So you can get 5 different ways to unclog those drains. You're gonna get the 35.5-inch drain clog removal tool. It has a plunger end on it. And when you push that plunger down, you're gonna get that claw that comes out, and it's gonna be used to help pull out those clogs of hair or maybe something small that's been dropped down into the sink. It'll help grab that and get that out of there. You're gonna get 4 of these nylon drain snakes. And I've used this style of drain snakes in the past. It has these little edges along the snake, and when it's put down the drain, when it pulls up, all of those are gonna help pull all that hair and stuff out of the sink. Nice easy handle to pull it out of the drain with. You're gonna get 3 59-inch cleaning brushes that are wire. If you've got a bottle or a small pipe or something, this is gonna come in super handy for all of that. Finally, probably my favorite tool in this kit are the drain snakes. You're gonna get 4 of them. You're gonna get 2 30-inch and 2 50-inch. They are steel wires and nylon coated. On the end of each one, it has this Velcro material that's gonna help pull out the clog. To use the drain snake, you just bend the end slightly. That's gonna help all of that hair and clog get onto this snake. You snake it down the drain, spin it around a few times, and then pull it back out of the drain. This tool pulled out a bunch of hair from it and really helped making clog cleanup just a little bit easier. If you're looking for a kit that can help keep those drains unclogged, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good fit for you.